welcome to Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota, located off of Lake Superior. My name is Haley, and today I get to show you the 2023 Winnebago Minnie. It's the 2832FK, which means it has a front kitchen. Lots of great storage. We're going to take a look on the outside, work our way on the inside, and then you guys can tell us what you think. So, starting out, we'll work our way completely around and then inside. So, pass-through storage. This is huge. You could fit all kinds of things inside of here because of the height and the width. Now, the door is pretty tall, so you're able to fit quite a few things in there as well. Now, there is an awning. Nice, large awning. We didn't put it all the way out just because of the close proximity to other campers and, as you can see, a pole. So, outside outlet and cable for a TV, double axle, towability. Now, this camper has two entry and exit doors, one into the living or front kitchen area, and then one into the bedroom, which is great. Lots of storage in the back, pass through, so if stuff does shift in its travels, you can access it from the other side. All right. Back end, you have your ladder that goes to the top, prepped for a Voyager backup camera, spare tire. You get your bumper so you can put your sewer hose in there. Other side of your pass-through storage, the toggle switches for your electric jacks, electric stabilizer jacks. They're not leveling, they stabilize it, so you have to level it on your own and then stabilize it. Outside shower that's got hot and cold water, and then this is all of your hookups, black tank flush, and then that's your portable water, and this is shore power here. This camper does have one slide, nice large size, nice big awning. Other side of the pass-through storage. Your battery disconnect is in there, and then your bumper stoppers, and then your toggle switches for the stabilizer jacks. This little guy right here, we're going to zoom in on that real good. That is a, we zoomed in real good on that one. That is a, that's for your solar power. So if you wanted to add extra briefcase or suitcase solar panels, angle it on a day like today when there's lots of beautiful, beautiful sun, and trickle charge more so into that battery, you have the ability to do that. Speaking of which, you will get a 27 series interstate battery. Your propane tanks would be filled, and this also comes with a power tongue jack, which is fantastic. So, awesome. All right, let's work our way on the inside. So, with the front kitchen, the first door is going to be into that living area. Nice, great big grab handle. Let's work our way on in. So, when you first come in, obviously with FK front kitchen, you get a lot of counter space because you're utilizing this whole space here, which is fantastic. One thing I'm going to point out that Winnebago did is they decided to separate the bottom cupboard and the top cupboards in different colors, just to kind of give it a little bit of a different feel. I'm really liking it. Let us know in the comments if you like that color difference, or if you're liking the all one color. I really like the blue. Maybe that's just me. Blues and grays are really neutral and popular. Lots of space. You can see that goes all the way into the other side from over in here, which is huge. That is a lot. That goes all the way to the front. So in that pass-through storage, there's just that little section that kind of impedes. I just almost whacked my head. That kind of impedes in on that space. That's for that cupboard, so you have more space on the inside of your camper, which is fantastic. You get a microwave. This is convection. You can bake in it just like you would an oven. 3-burner stove, towel bar, and then of course all of this wonderful storage. That's huge, big. That's your fuse box. We always point it out, but I don't think we ever actually show you what it looks like. I don't know if people are interested in that or not, but hey, we're showing it anyways. And then you get your drawers. I apologize. And then a nice big sink. Big enough to actually wash your pots and pans, which is fantastic. So, scooting on over, you do get a little bit of pantry space with some drawers as well. All the extra space in a camper really, really counts, which is great. So the fridge is really nice and close to the kitchen area, which is great because then that way you're able to grab what you need to then cook. And you have a nice counter space where you can put the things that you grab out of there. Oops, it's on the side. Nice big, you guys, we haven't had this battery pack on here for very long, and this is already getting really cold. So I wish I could convey that through the camera somehow. Maybe I'll show you the goosebumps on my arm next time. Okay, so side counter. So that is for your cell phone. So you're able to plop your cell phone on it, and then it'll start charging your phone just right from there. So if you accidentally forget your charger on your way to the campground, because there's a lot of different things you have to remember, you still have it there. Outlet and USB on either side of the fantastic loungers. These are really comfortable. You do get, I'm not going to pull it up, but you do get a switch to get your legs up and recline. Lots of deep storage there. Cup holders, another great countertop with an outlet and a USB there. Across from the theater seating is your entertainment center above your dinette. So you do get some storage on either side, a TV of course, and then you have your table, which can fit quite a few different people. I'd say probably 4 people very comfortably here. But now say you have guests that are going to stay and they need a place to sleep, this table will go down and this dinette will sleep people very, very comfortably, which is really nice. Oh, that one's nice and tight. Storage underneath, which is really convenient. Now this other side of the dinette doesn't have the storage here. What it has is it has the storage when you first come in, so it's a great place to toss those flip-flops or your shoes and just come in the door and have that space. So there's still space under there, but they utilized it in a different way, which is great. Okay, moving on through. So this is one of those bathrooms that's a pass-through bathroom. What's great about these is it uses the entire width of the coach to give you a lot of bathroom space, which is great. So you get a lot of space around your porcelain toilet. Not sure if you could hear that. Lots of space by the sink, lots of counter space, storage space. They give you a nice little towel bar. All kinds of great, here, see, I'm even sitting on the toilet just to show you the cupboard. And then across from this is the shower. And what's great about this, there is a step up into it. However, there is still quite a bit of room in here. Look, I'm just barely touching this. Now, I'm 5 feet tall, just for reference. So this is probably a good 6 feet, maybe. Not quite. It's tall. Nice shower door. Now these squeegee themselves off, so all that water and mildew and water comes off, so mildew and mold won't store up in there, which is great. So moving on into the bedroom. So the bedroom is in the back. You get a lot of storage back here. Typical wardrobe storage on each side. What's nice is they accented now that shelf with that blue-gray color, which is great. Each side does get shelving, does get an outlet, does get the USB, plus you have extra space here as well. And under the bed storage with hydraulic arms, which is great because then you're not having to use your shoulder or your head to try and hold that up while you're digging your things out from under your bed, which is great. Now, there is one more set of storage over here. I'm gonna have the camera go that way so then I can show it to you this way. See how smooth that was? That was so great. All right, so extra little storage here. Now, this may not seem like a huge thing, but you could fit quite a few different things in here, and it's got a nice even shelf so you can get little storage bins or something to put extra items in there. Up above that is your outlet and your plug-in for your cable for your TV in the bedroom. And then of course, like we talked about, you have your outside door that goes out from the bedroom. So lots of uses, lots of storage, lots of great new things that Winnebago is doing with the different colors and different layouts. So once again, this is the 2023 Winnebago Minnie, I'm going to try not to screw this up, 2832FK front kitchen. And my name is Haley, so if you'd like to work with me on this unit or maybe any other unit in our inventory, give me a call, 218-740-4997. And as always, I'm willing to go the extra mile to help you camp in style. Have a great day, everyone.